namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel, yeah, of course mliteka like Ben Mayengani the president. Yeah, lo somehow of course ngata ke ngilinka I was single miss the post yeah, to some extent very yeah, so tani swi mi swi tiva ku very ku ta kha ku ri na graduation ya vana va le ka Ndlovu le na previously of course I updated ni ku kombisa ku even various artists have been invited your video already ko la ka channel ni ta vekela a link on top comment very tani vekerile however no fika nhlamulo of course ka suna mthlokosi ra 20 December hey post ya kona ya chavisa man President Mayengani of course mi fika yi post yo karhi as you can see kwalani so post ya kona ya leyi nga fika yi tsala statement xo sungula as you can see kwalani hey xina nhlamulo yo chavisa swinene na mhaka leyi which means yeah, in other words hi to swini yeah he wrote ku vo toilet yeah, you could take a ravo, as you can see, and that's what he wrote. And then he wrote Bulo Insane, as you can see. It's obvious, international show na kwalan. President Mayengani of the Kombisa go, I know I invite to win. So clearly this thing is fake, posterally fakely. Until we create a man because our Kalyan can work high seculator, Nelaka Oliam and us to leave our thing but no can check like a Facebook, as you can see, Kualano. I show no our Kalyan high seculator because they post already in 15 hours as we are making this video and stuff like that. I quite mungamir you quite mungamir so I don't know manga should end anti manga should end anti manga should believe very I think that's why he's angry because some might believe I President Mayengani so he had to address it I way address maramaka nhlamba ayo kumena very ani support that's how he reacted I don't support maga nhlamba but yeah hi swona swi nga kwatisa President Mayengani ku ya laveka le yi invite win ku ri na invite wang so under normal circumstances you veka la cross mos mara la ya yi kota ku kwata maybe mako le ka wasongo me supposed tshama ni vo yi bulisa nhlambi ya so President Mayengani swa chavisa swa chavisa so tani swi tiva ku very President Mayengani I perform la nga na Mr Post so mina as Master T already anani yi vone poster ani swi tiva it's fake ku ha ku Ben Mayengani anga a perform la nga na wasongo Mr Post mayona mhaka leyiwa so leswi of course swi nga fika swi endla swona sweswo so I postile ku trending swinene as you can see 36 minutes already yi le ka 3.1 thousand reactions kwalano mayona mhaka leyiwa by the way a swi postiwanga wasongo as you can see ka hetele King Tsonga nga zanga poster swilo leswi kona munhu wo karhi a nga fika a fake that poster yeah of course mi ta khe hetela of course risimu ra President Mayengani ra phuza ni famba so a hi updating mi follow ku Master T maswi tiva ku a hi updating risimu leriwa ku ri reach 1 million so the thing here guys ku na YouTube leya app straight mi tiva ku na YouTube music app mtam kham sho kuna difference ka those two very so ka YouTube ikona President Mayengani of course he fixa 1 million views I'm sure already I updated inside ra YouTube music so ala ka YouTube mu kuma ku va counter the views ntsene ku ya account ya le so lava focus ka the views leto ntsene ka account ya Ben Mayengani the president ntsene so mara ka YouTube music hala va khombana everywhere the views hinkwako la yi nga postiwa kona phuza ni famba on YouTube va fika va yi teka va yi chela in one mara mhaka leyi henhla mi kuma ka ku ri already a ku ri khale yi update hi swona so nga ka vula tani ku congratulations to him ku va reaching 1 million views on YouTube also hi leswo ya phuza ni famba as you can see na leyi nga ku yi searching so loko hi fika hi tekateka I'm not searching correctly swa ku ni fika ni nghena hi the songs ne swi nge endli swona swi so yi nge ni kombi the views ya wona mi komba hala a ku ri khale hina nini ya komba as you can see maswo ku hala yi na 1.1 million views sa ku ri khale ri ku updating maswona mhaka yo so kwala ni na 1 million 100,000 something places you can see a hi updating already ku yi reach a million ma vona mhaka leyo ni ku a hi tika hi hala ka YouTube music ma vona mhaka leyo so hi leswo loko ri amukela subscribe banda kombela mi click subscribe
Loko kutakiwa situla ikujola mana longa jola ngakumana yizibyo hlamba nhloko.
Mani mbili yangu yava. Follow.
Kutakiwa situla ikujola mana longa jola ngakumana yizibyo hlamba nhloko.
Mani mbili yangu yava.
Chuma xa boti ni nga tlanga hi xona ni teka njanganja loko xi sweka xi dya tsona mhani wa mino.
Mani mbili yangu yava.
Chuma xa boti ni nga tlanga hi xona ni teka ngwadlo loko yi sweka yi dya tsona mhani wa mino.
Mani mbili yangu yava.
Rijinara mikhomi wa tivhene ta giya loko n'wi vona timbambu ta makwenu wa yena.
Mani mbili yangu yava.
Ni karhele ku yima hi makhumbi manani na tindzwana swi nga za swi ni luma mino.
Mani mbili yangu yava.
Swi right.